Hey guys, it's Eric with 33 Dream Creek. Now this floor here is a metallic epoxy floor, and it encapsulates what we do here at 33 Dream Creek. Now this floor is amazing. It's up for interpretation, it's up for beauty, and it's just one of those floors that just takes everything to the next level. We want customers to know that garages and these areas that you want to showcase at your home has all this versatility that you can do to make it look gorgeous, to make it look functional, and to make it what you want to make it. Of course, garage floors are adding a lot of curb appeal to your home. A lot of people, when they come to a home, the first thing they see is their garage. And of course, you want to add that value there to, of course, complement the rest of your home. And this floor here is a sky blue. It's super beautiful. We put transition strips in along the area underneath the garage door itself. It is super durable. It is slip resistant. It is organic in style, and it is absolutely gorgeous. We wanted to share it and show everyone what we do here at 33 Dream Creek and what the potential is for you to have that next great floor. You can call us at 601-906-0699. You can reach us at 33dreamcreek.com. You can also check us out on Facebook at 33dreamcreek/facebook.com. Thank you.